This is my beautiful daughter Ava helping her idiot daddy try to straighten the roof out on the car that I knocked a tree onto today because I didn't move the car beforehand, even though I knew it was close enough to have the tree land on it, because I thought I was pushing the tree in a very different direction and it didn't cooperate and it went this way. So I put this, since the windshield was broken out, I removed it and vacuumed up most of the mess inside. So we're going to try to straighten out the roof so we can put a new windshield and just have an ugly car instead of an ugly car with no windshield. All right, you want to come back?
Fix that one, Daddy?
The hood?
In the front?
I don't know. It doesn't. It's just cosmetic. It still latches properly, and it still. It looks bad. It looks almost worse than the roof, but it didn't damage anything on the inside. So I don't know. We'll see. It depends on how cheap I can get another one. If there's one that's silver or cheap, then maybe I'll get it. If not, I'll just drive around like this.
You were so weird.
And this happened after I bought another one of these cars because I like them so much. Because they're never going to make another manual transmission minivan and sell it in the United States again. And I had this one in storage, and I needed the other car, but it was not here because I had this truck that Ava's standing on, and so I decided to get insurance put back on this one instead of going to get the other one, since I might need this truck over here for a while. And so I had full coverage on this car for 5 years, and then yesterday I put liability only on it so I could drive it legally.
Mm-hmm.
And
there's no license plate on it. Do you need to get a new?
It doesn't matter. We can talk about that another time.
Oh.
That might be a little bit too much. No, not enough. Close.
Hey, is the little sun blocker things gonna be messed up? Because like those are like the most important part of the car.
The sun visors?
Yeah.
Hopefully they're all right. That side I think is fine. This one wouldn't go back into its little holder because the roof was bent in.
Mm-hmm. You took out the TV, I saw.
No, it fell out.
Oh, it fell out. Oh.
When the tree fell on it, it made the whole roof go like this, and it popped that thing off. So I took the wires loose so it wouldn't cause trouble. It was hanging by the wires.
Oh. Have you finished most of the trees at least?
All of the big ones pretty much. There's a few more smallish ones. But.
So you got most of the big ones that you need to get rid of?
Oh, stand up, hang on. On that board again.
Dang it. Okay.
I'll wait on it?
No, not yet. I'm not even stepping on it yet. Okay.
Well, when you're ready, let me know.
Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay, I'm on it. He's moving this thing around like crazy and it's making me nervous. My sleeves are going to, like, I can get off?
Yep.
Okay, good. Oh gosh, my hair got cut in that wire.
No, for me, you just be careful. I'm always careful.
Oh wow,
Oh,
says a guy who look at your car.
I know, but you know what irony is, right?
Yes, Daddy. I was using sarcasm.
I was using irony. Well, I have no stroke on this jack. Let me cut the board a little shorter.
Really? He's cut this board like 7 times.
Well, I didn't know how long it needed to be. It's a little bit complicated.
That board looks rotten, by the way.
What?
That board looks rotten.
It's not. That's concrete.
Oh. No, I should not be using my sleeve to rub my eye that I've just been standing against the thing on. I said this, and I've been using it to support myself on the ramp. I should not have done that.
That's all right. The ramp is not dirty.
Really? Because it smells bad?
Probably me.
Oh. Yeah, I came over here when I was walking and I could smell the sawdust and it made me like a little bit nauseous. I remember that it's like this, like isn't it like cracked down there?
What?
Isn't the ceiling like cracked? It looks
No, it's, well,
cracked.
not exactly. This is all just whatever. This is just trim, like a soft piece inside. It won't crack in the sense that it would be like broken.
Is it moving at all?
Yeah, slowly.
Hey, can we get Papa John's tonight?
Actually, see if you can scoot that board towards the front of the truck a little bit on that side.
This one? On my left?
Put the phone down somewhere else first.
Okay.
Not on those boards. Toward your left.
Okay.
That's fine. It doesn't matter if it's still recording. Just scoot it over to the left a little bit.
Okay.
Hold.
Is that good? It does not look very safe or very accurate. It's just like one little.
A little more.
Yeah, Mama came in my room earlier and she was like, Daddy dropped a tree on his car. And I was like, what? And she's like, yeah. The whole windshield's like broken. And I was like, can you get home? Can you drive home? Because like I didn't know if your car was too damaged to even drive.
I asked Mama to bring a vacuum cleaner, and Nana and Lala brought one instead. And I was going to run it on the inverter that's in the car, but it wouldn't make it run good enough, so it wasn't working. So I just brushed off the seat as best I could. I drove home with my eyes almost closed, like just squinting like crazy because there was fine glass powder everywhere. Like blowing and hit me in the face and stuff. The main thing I was just concerned about getting in my eyes.
Well, at least you have it. At least you have glasses to block it a little bit.
Yeah.
That's the best part about having glasses. It kind of blocks stuff from getting in your eyes a little bit.
I think the best thing about having glasses is being able to see good.
Well, I can see fine without my glasses. It's just my eyes hurt when I do. Also, we need more cheese.
Still recording?
Yes, Daddy.
That's fine.
It's mostly just like right here, like right that big dip.
Yeah, I need
right
to get
there.
that lifted up too. Maybe we should go ahead and focus on that next. Here,
Yeah.
let me have the phone. And you just scoot that board, or here. I can sit over here.
Oh, you can? That board is heavy.
You know, it's not so much the board as it is the.
Yeah.
No, the board's heavy, but
He had me stand on that thing, on the very edge of the truck. Like, look, it's like right there. Like, how terrifying is that? Like, it's really dirty up here. There's a bunch of dirt on it from the tractors. Just kind of to be expected with it.
That little block over there on the truck.
Which little block?
This one here it is.
Oh.
I'm just using this because it's flat instead of this concave thing.
All right, so we're doing the middle part, like the part that looks the lowest.
Yeah, I'm gonna jack up right back here.
Oh, right there. I'm not very good at angling this thing right.
It's not critical. It'll be interesting to watch, even if it's. Oh, I didn't think to chuck all the concrete off of the board before I put it through my car. It's making the board flex. Now concrete's falling all over the place in there.
And you just vacuumed it.
I know. I was gonna do it again anyway because
Sawdust.
Probably more glass will. It's doing pretty good.
Mhm. It's even. I feel like it's even lifting up a little bit in the front.
It's definitely straightening out some.
Well, look, I'm smart. I knew what to do, and I've never done this before. I'm being silly, Daddy.
You already knew that, Ava. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put it diagonally so it's long enough. All right, can you?
What do you want me to do? Do you want me to stand on it again?
This way.
Okay. Yeah, because it's terrifying. I don't like doing it. Like, you can still see the tree stuff in it. Here, I need to get rid of that.
All right, if you can stand not on the top board but on the second board.
This one, like this way? Like.
Yep. Hold it still for a minute. I'm gonna.
Oh, it's like a seesaw.
Put your legs wider apart.
Okay.
Slide this board through.
Okay.
And pull it back out behind the seat.
The things I am willing to do.
You must love me or something.
Oh, God. I'm making this board shake like crazy and it's making me nervous. Can I step down now?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. My legs are shaking really bad. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm trying, Debbie.
Take your time. I'm not giving you trouble.
It's just very shaky. So.
Put one more board under the end of that big board.
This one?
Yeah. Hopefully I didn't damage the car door already with it flexing down. Okay.
The windows aren't broken, right?
Just the front window. The other ones are okay.
You still won't have to replace all of them. That would suck. It could have like gone down here, like this way, like that way, and it could have like smashed everything.
Thankfully.
At least no one was in the car. Can you imagine if I was in the car? Oh, Daddy.
Oh, Ava, your mom would never get over being upset at me or something like that.
If I was in. That would be terrifying. I would be like, Dad! Scream my head off. Would that hurt us really bad? Yeah, that would hurt us with the glass.
Because of where you're sitting, I guess.
Because it would hurt me the most, I think. Because if Charlotte and Emma were in the back.
It'd be scary like crazy.
Oh, yeah.
I would have been like, crap my pants over. I was really upset about it just because of the car, but I would have been knocking a car over, knocking a tree over on the car with my babies inside. Dude, that would be like.
Terrifying.
Yes.
Yeah, there's still a big dip, like, right there.
About try and lift that one up.
Yeah. Because if once we do that, I mean, it won't look pretty on the top. See, look, yeah, it's getting curved back into it. Like, it almost looks normal on this side. Like, almost, not completely.
Right.
Like some parts of it's like cracked. Like, I mean, you don't know if like you guys can see it. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit. Oh, there's my finger. Sorry. Sorry you guys had to see that.
That makes it entertaining.
Right? See, like you can see the cracks on it. It's kind of blurry, but it's like cracked and it's not going to be able to fix very well. Unless you just like... Don't need that. You have a very close camera.
Close?
Yeah, like when I zoomed all the way out, it still looked pretty close. I hope this thing isn't shaking too much.
All right.
The entire car moved, Daddy.
I know. Kicking up pretty hard to make it stretch that roof back out.
Most people will just be like sending it to like a car dealer or something. Just like, it was like, no, we're getting a bunch of boards and a jack. We're just doing it really weirdly all up in here. We fix the car ourselves. Try to save as much money as possible.
It'll still be ugly, but it'll be alright.
Oh, I'm so glad I was not sitting on that board just now. I just realized, Daddy, that I was tilting it like to the side, like down here, and then I was like, that's not very pretty.
I'll forgive you eventually.
I keep doing it. What did
Dip back here. It's
Yeah.
Hold a puddle of water. You can't tell it on the inside, but it'd be better if it was.
That's one way to do it. Yeah, your Daddy, your face right now is like this. The windshield part of it, I put my fingers on the glass a little bit earlier when I first came out here to run to see what it felt like. It was weird. It felt like plastic. Oh, there's my phone.
Well, it's got a.
You knocked it out?
Oh, I broke it. I guess I didn't.
Oh, the lights broke too.
What light?
The one in the middle.
Of what?
In the front.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
No, it's not. It just popped out.
Oh, does it? So it still works?
I think. It does work.
Good. I was like, that's gonna be really devastating. That's almost as bad as losing those things.
What things? The drinks?
No, not the drinks. The sun blocker, like the most important part of the car, like besides the engine and the brake.
I didn't realize this piece was broken. I don't know if I just did that or what. I think I did. It's possible I messed it up when I was stitching this out.
But yeah, the glass here is like really cracked. Was it like this, like on the edges all the way through? Or was it like actual like big holes in the middle, like down like class?
Well, I've got a picture of it you can see, but it was just all caved in like this.
Like how it was up here when we first started doing it? Like it was just
Are you
like...
talking about the window?
Yes.
Yeah, the window was kind of caved in like this. But it wasn't, I mean, it was all shattered. But it's this laminated glass. You see this right here? It feels like plastic because it is plastic. It's on the ends. I think it's like between the glass. There's a layer of glass and then like a plastic and then another layer of glass and it's all glued together.
Yeah, like that's like flimsy.
Be careful, don't cut yourself.
I'm not gonna cut myself. It's like flimsy.
And the reason they have that inner layer is so that it doesn't shatter all over you like crazy, which I don't know. I'm not sure I understand the benefit really of having it be laminated. Maybe, I'm sure they have good reasons for it. The side to windows are all tempered glass, and they'll shatter into little pieces and fall. I was surprised at how much glass was in the car broken. I thought that a big part of the reason they laminated the glass was so that you didn't have all that stuff all over the place, but it still had a lot.
Well, maybe it would have been a lot more. Probably would have been like the whole thing.
Are you still recording?
Yes.
Why are you recording the ground?
Well, I was moving. So.
That's nice.
Why are you just saying that?
Did I say that already tonight?
Like 7 times. Like, I'll forgive you eventually. Like, oh, look, there's a bunch of birds. Viper and Charlotte would be having a blast out here.
What, with this?
Yeah. Charlotte especially.
Tell her if she wants.
She probably doesn't know.
I guess I didn't talk to her about it.
She's going to see this video and
Why
she
don't
might be...
you put the video on pause or stop it and tell her to come out here.
I don't know. Okay, I'll pause it. Okay.
We used it before for form for concrete.
Hey, Charlotte, look. Recording.
Was this just put here?
Yeah, we're doing the jack right there. This is a much better angle for that. So what are we doing again?
Well, I'm trying to put the jack up and get it to slide without moving those boards on the other side, but I think it's hung on a nail or something that I got in here. Yeah, it's right there.
Can I help?
Okay.
Can I help?
In just a second, honey. Where's that little block of wood? Here, get that little block of wood, Charlotte. All right. Give it to me.
What do you want to do?
I want to put it up in there. You're not tall enough to reach it. All right, put it right there. And then I'm going to need you to pull this lever up and down for me, okay? Hang on a second.
You can get a stool maybe. Or not.
Easy, not so hard at the end. Shake all around. You don't have to go so slow. Just at the very end when it's going to hit, don't do it so hard at the very end.
As you maybe... I keep doing it like this.
All right. All right, you're about to start stretching the car. You ready? Keep going. Not too hard all at once. Just do it slowly. Hang on a second. Stop for a second. Stop. Okay, that's all right. You can go some more if you want.
Can I try?
Huh?
Can I try?
Yeah, let Charlotte do it a bit more.
Oops.
A little bit more. More.
I'm trying to go slow so I don't do
It's
it.
okay. Here, grab it all the way at the end. There you go.
I think it's done.
It's not moving very much.
Let's see.
Oh, there it was.
Stop.
It's almost completely level up here. Almost. I mean, there are a few little small dips that just go around the cracks, but... Oh! I felt it move.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Can you please... I want this especially fixed.
The hood, you don't like that, huh?
Oh, I don't... The
Too
hood was...
ugly?
The hood was the thing that bothered me the most when I walked out. I was like, oh, the hood. I don't know what it is. I just
The hood's the easiest thing to fix if you just get another one and put it on there.
Mm-hmm.
Stop. Stop.
No, I gotta go more than it needs to go, and then
Why do you need to do it more than it needs to go?
because you have to stretch it a little bit.
So it'll
So
go
it'll
back.
go back because it springs. See how it went back down? I need to go a little more than it needs to go to start with. And that way when you stop and let go, it'll go back to the right place.
Can I keep pumping it?
Charlotte, you almost fell. Be careful, honey.
All right, let me,
It's a little blurry. Just noticed that.
what, blur?
No, the camera, I was holding it like this. Like really close. It was really blurry here. Yeah, because like, it's like a little bit... There's not going to be much water that's going to be able to get down there.
That's all right. I'm not too worried about that. The inside, you can't even tell it.
Oh, yeah.
You know, every time when I'm driving down the road, I'm always looking at the roof of the car. Right?
Yeah.
Is that right?
No. Oh, I was like, wait a second. You're like, Why are you looking at the roof of the car? I was like, that's not very safe.
I was being silly.
So I thought, but I was like, it took a second for me to realize that. I need to make sure I still have my phone over there. There it is.
Make sure what?
I still have my phone. We probably need to end this sooner. Have Charlotte do it because I want to run.
I'm sorry. You're right. I should have. You still recording?
Yeah. Oh, I'm not putting it right though. I was trying to look myself to see.
I want to look down and see what the Pepsi box looks like.
Yeah.
Free.
But yeah, it's like very. It's like a weird. This is like what my phone felt like when I first started dropping it, like that.
Well, the phone has laminated glass too, I think.
Mhm. For sure. Because otherwise it'd be
Well, it's at least tempered glass. It might not be laminated. Probably it's not laminated.
I'm gonna sit down inside the car. Oh, it definitely looks all weird and jacked up in here. You can see where all of the little divots went.
You should have seen the hail on that day. Or just on the front of the car, though.
What hail? Oh.
All these dents. You know what hail is, right?
Yeah, I know what hail is.
Falls from the sky.
Charlotte, don't hit the car.
She's not. She's hitting this wood out here.
It's not very good lighting in here.
Sorry. Back up, Charlotte.
Why am I zooming in? It makes it worse.
Zoom out.
I did. See, I take back my statement earlier that I was very smart. Apparently I'm not.
Zoom out and then click on the record button again. That'll stop it.
It's weird seeing the, not seeing the radio in there.
You know what I did yesterday?
What? I saw
See all those weird...
Yeah, little knob things on there.
Those are magnets.
Oh, so you can put a tablet in there or something?
Yeah, it actually is great. Here. It's in the car seat. So you just put it...
Not the time for that. Let's get working. I'm ready.
Oh, that works really well.
It's definitely nicer than the other thing in the other car, the built-in Android radio, because it's, well, for one thing, the whole screen, the touch screen works. You know, the other one has big chunks that you can't type the right letter or whatever. And also the resolution is about...
You also can't turn up the volume without turning it. You have to click the down volume and then turn it up.
That's right. The button, the volume up button
Doesn't work.
really work right. Because that's part of the screen, that's the touch part is not working. And so on this one, it's got the factory radio, so you can use the steering wheel controls.
Do you want to just take out the other one and put in another one of those tablet things in there?
I'll probably just, I'll probably just use the same tablet, because it's easy to take that out just by the magnets.
Oh, yeah. Charlotte, honey, that's really a loud noise, and it's not helping.
I know.
That's weird, because that one's almost, yeah, it's very uneven at the top, like right there.
Inside,
Yeah,
so been smashed by that block.
yeah. Like, it's like, my side's pretty normal, but your side's is all, like, weird, wonky looking.
No. More down.
Push right here, I guess. Is there a screw in that, Ava? This thing holding this thing on?
Let me see. I don't see a screw. I don't see one.
Is there like a little square that can...
There's a square.
Alright.
There's like one that it folds in, and then it has like a little square thing in it.
We'll take the little square out, and then there'll be a screw underneath.
Okay.
Can I watch the video? You're recording this, aren't you?
Yes, I am. Come on, Charlotte, come talk to the camera.
No.
Yes, you don't.
No. I will hit you with this.
Don't you dare. Charlotte just threatened to hit me with the thing she's holding because I was wanting her to talk to the camera. It wasn't being very nice.
Charlotte.
I'm not a tattletale.
Be nice, honey.
I'm being silly. Charlotte, what are you hitting? Put your shovel away. That could be something fragile in there. Leave it alone.
Oh, it's called muscle, so it can.
Mama buys fragile things too.
Not usually.
She usually just buys clothes. Like clothes for Charlotte and stuff.
That's not very fragile.
Did you crack your phone again? You. It's cracked. Yeah. It's not bad. I hardly even noticed it till like just now.
I didn't know if it was a crack in the screen protector or what. I didn't care enough to really.
I already have a scratch in mine and I haven't even gone running with it. It's like the weirdest thing.
It happens.
I changed your code.
Charlotte!
No, I didn't.
I have all my clothes in there from my Disney trip.
Whatever.
I haven't gotten my clothes out of my Disney trip. I need to do that.
It's
I
only
can't hear whatever you're saying.
No, it's not.
999.
Right.
That's what I put it to right now.
She just changed the numbers on there. It doesn't unlock.
Oh.
What?
Release it before I try to pull it out of the car. Didn't realize it was still jacked up. So pain enough.
Yeah, you're already doing more little divots inside.
I'm sure. What, honey?
Right now, the worst part looks just like on the inside, just like right where the little sun protector things are with the light.
On the outside, it looks better.
The inside looks worse though.
Better than what, honey?
Better than the inside.
Oh.
Charlotte, do you want to do the video now? I'm gonna go running. I think there's not much daylight left. Charlotte, honey. Do you want to do the video? Charlotte, it hurts my ears.
You're wearing headphones.
I know, but it still hurts my ears.
It doesn't hurt my ears. Maybe I have more sensitive.
I have sensitive everything.
Ears. You have sensitive everything.
I do.
I have sensitive hair though.
Hair?
My hair is sensitive.
Like when you pull it.
You're tender-headed. That's what she means. Charlotte!
Alright, that's enough, Charlotte. Please.
Seriously, do you want to do the video, Charlotte? Hold it. Don't get your fingers over the camera.
This is boring.
What, Charlotte?
This is boring.
It is. Well, I'm sorry you think that.
I'm gonna get
She's
the
better at holding that camera
I'm gonna
straight
get
than I
the
am. She's 6 and I'm 14. That's great.
showing the damage.
Okay. Now, push up wherever I need to. I think. That did make it kind of ugly in here, didn't it?
Yeah.
Well,
Just make sure the sun.
I'll learn to live with it.
Make sure the sun thing still works.
I'll be like, quit looking at the ceiling. I know it's bad.
Make sure I don't run
As long as I
into
can
anything.
get the,
Don't walk backwards. I fell into a fire pit doing that, Charlotte.
as long as I can get the windshield to go.
There's no fire pits around
Yeah,
here.
there's still concrete that you can hit your head on. You're looking for wires.
And I didn't fall like you did.
Oh, sorry. Well, granted, I am much more clumsy, so maybe you'll be safe.
I walked all around the playground backwards. Trust me.
Trust you what?
Can I pause the video? I don't want to hold this.
You don't want to hold it.
No.
All right, back up. Let me open
All
the door.
I'm doing is
Let me
holding
close
it.
the door so I can. The board to the outside. Back up a little bit more.
Okay.
Right.
You hold it.
You hold it while I put the jack in, and then I'll let you jack it. Okay? We'll get Ava to do the video during that. Sound good?
Okay. Ava! What? We're about to go back jacking, so you gotta hold it.
I told Charlotte she could jack while you take a video for a minute.
There's the block. Are my fingers over the camera? Oh wait, they are. This is gonna be the lamest video ever.
I think it's pretty interesting, probably.
Ava, we're almost ready.
How many videos have you seen people jacking the roof of their car up so that they can put a new windshield on? You seen any of those?
Nope.
I haven't either.
Okay, Ava, we're ready.
Charlotte, while you were gone, you missed Daddy's one of Daddy's funniest expressions. He looked like this.
Hold it. Hold it.
Oh, fine.
Hey, you're doing my job.
Oh, sorry. Just a minute. Decide where we need to do it next.
Here. Maybe I can see from the inside. Well, normally I would say to do it like right where the light thing is, but that might not be the smartest idea. Like right there.
Yeah, that's what we need to do.
Because like,
hopefully it'll be alright.
that may be able to move it a little bit. And if not, we can just pay to get it fixed.
I'm not ready to fix it. It's not worth enough money to be spending a bunch of money on it to get it look some particular way.
Well, no, I mean to get if it like breaks the wire or something to have
I
the.
can fix the wire.
I thought it was Charlotte was gonna.
She is. I'm just gonna get it close. I'll let her jack on it once it's actually stretching. All right, Charlotte. We got it in position. All right. Jack it up. A bit more.
Don't do that fast, Charlotte.
Go on.
Ow.
What's happening?
You're squeezing her too hard.
Am I?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yay.
A bit more.
I thought this was
Let
for.
go.
I thought this
Let go.
was for.
Let go.
I thought this was for lifting cars.
Here we go,
That's
Charlotte.
its primary purpose.
No.
Charlotte.
I am lifting a car with it.
Charlotte, look. Here
Not
we
in
go.
the usual way.
Charlotte! You said you would do it once when she stopped jacking.
No.
Can we just end the video?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Alright. Alrighty, so this is what we haven't done anything to the hood right now. Still pretty bad. You know, still kind of a lot of dips in there. Still cracked a little thing like that, but it's a lot better right here because it almost looks pretty normal now. Sorry, that was my phone. Because like it's like pretty level right now, like almost exactly. For instance, with the jack. I mean, you might be able to see at the beginning of the video how that looked in the beginning, but it still looks pretty normal now. Looks a lot better, and I mean it's not pretty at the top. And there's still a little bit of a dips out around over here and there, but it's a lot better. And I mean, right now we're mostly just trying to work on the inside and having it be level down there since it kind of messed up the little front a little bit.
New windshield in this car. Can we do that? New glass.
But yeah, the cat was sitting like right here earlier, and I was
in the car?
like on right here, and I was like, oh goodness gracious, cat, you gotta get out.
Yeah.
You can hurt yourself on all the glass.
Hey, Emma Muscle.
Hi.
A lot better. How do you like the look of it now? See how the roof is not smacked.
See, it's like the roof isn't as near as bad. I mean, it doesn't look pretty, but like at first glance, it looks pretty normal. Charlotte, you're gonna make that move.
It just looks bad, not really bad.
Yeah, I mean, it looks bad, but like you're just like, oh, something happened to it, but you don't think that, oh, it's like unable to drive.
How'd you get it back? Oh.
It's not drunk
I used
drive
the
worthy
jack.
for sure, because like when we first brought it back, it looked
So-
drunk drive worthy.
What are you going to do about the glass?
I can't
We're
worthy.
gonna get another one put in. It's $284 for a new windshield.
I really hate how you know that.
I called today. Why do you hate that? I made a phone call and got a price today.
Oh.
That's how I know it.
When are you going to get
Oh, I was like, I know, I really hate how you know that, like, memorized, as if you know, like, you've broken your windshield a lot and you need a lot more.
No, that's an install price.
When are you going to get it fixed? Are they going to come here and fix it?
I think so.
See, like, that's, like, all lifted. See? So I would get a front hood or something, or at least get
So
it,
you're
like,
not allowed
lifted
to
a little
drive
bit.
it?
Maybe
Still?
we can beat it with a hammer and straighten it out. Let's get this
I
back out
was
of
thinking. I
Charlotte has the hammer, Daddy.
I know she does.
was.
Let me get this out of
Here,
the
Emma,
way.
you take this.
No.
It's not quite ready yet. Let's get this out of the way.
Can I pause the video then?
Yeah, stop it.
Darker.
I understand.
So it's much darker now. Been doing this for a while.
We're going to try to slam the hood onto it.
How do I turn on the flash?
I don't think it will.
Torch on. There we go.
Oh, while it's recording?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know it did that. That's cool.
I'm gonna just take a video right here so I can see what we're doing.
Come here, Tessa. Okay. Don't make me smell your feet, so run away. No.
You are so weird.
What?
You are so weird.
In what way?
Keeps trying to like unfocus. Like you're just like look at your face. Like this, Daddy. It's like the weirdest facial expression I've ever seen you make, and you only do it when you're doing things like this.
Can I see the top?
That already looks a lot better. I mean, it's still like
Charlotte still doesn't like it.
it doesn't look good. But it is a lot better. Try to make it look as good as it can look.
Hopefully I won't make it where it won't shut.
Daddy. We need to turn it like right here the most to make it like a little bit more. Well, try shut it now, and maybe if it. I mean, this is not desirable, but if it can
Turn
shut.
that in my face. Put it over here. Instead.
Sorry, I'm trying.
It's okay. All right. Let me see. Hopefully that's gonna be long enough. All right. Just hold on. Don't move it. Where's that hammer?
The hammer? What hammer? I don't know. Charlotte had it.
Charlotte, you know where the little hammer is? Sorry, honey. What happened?
I was holding it like this, and you went elbowing into my arm.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I didn't know you were standing so close.
Daddy, you made my cat leave again.
All right, Emma, I need your help.
Oh, I don't have shoes.
Shoes.
It's weird because it's only illuminating like right. It's only making it brighter like right here,
Yeah.
but the place that it needs to be brighter is like all the way over here.
Well, that's further away. All right. Let's see if we can do this.
Let's see, like keep it.
We're gonna hold it up with this. Or hammer it down.
I'm not really doing anything.
Not really doing anything.
I'm just lifting my cat.
I don't want that to come out. Well, I guess that's not.
The engine. It's really ugly down there.
All right.
This is what cars look like on the inside. It's not
back.
very pretty, is
Step
it?
back so I don't hit you with the hammer.
Okay. I like. Thank you for that consideration, for not wanting to hit me in the face with the hammer, because though I might not love my face, I do certainly like it better than what it would look like without the hammer. Plus, it would hurt a lot, and I'm very sensitive to pain.
What do you want?
Maybe I don't need it after all. I didn't think I could stand and hammer at the same time. Where I need to hold this nail up.
She's a lot more sensitive to things happening near her than I am. She's like, which is kind of weird because I thought I was the most reflective. All right.
All right, Emma, come stand over here. Put your feet like this.
Huh?
Put your feet on this thing like that.
Right now?
Yep, right now.
Do you want me to do it? You can hold the
Stand
video.
on both of them. Put it on top of it. There we go. No, just. Okay. I'm trying not to. Just be still.
Well, it's better for Emma because she's smaller and it's less easy to hit her.
All right, step up. For
Was
a
that a
second, Emma.
jab at me? I'm just being silly.
Oh.
Do it again.
I'm just saying she's
When you're
smaller.
feeling sad and blue.
She's
Sorry, I was just listening to like a Disney song and it's on my head. I'm not even paying attention. Oh. It says video will soon stop, so should I stop it now?
I'm sorry. Are you standing on it?
The video just like, it says video limit.
Stand there. You'll be fine.
Daddy.
You're making me freak out.
Daddy, it's phone.
Well, this is the car about 3 years later. Ended up just putting a bunch of screws in the bumper to hold it on. The hood is mostly like it was. I got some special caulk. There'll be a picture showing of it in a minute ago that was made to glue windshields in. And I initially tried to get somebody else to put the new windshield in, and they showed up and didn't like the idea of doing it because the windshield apparently is part of the structure of the car, and they didn't want the liability of it in case I got in another accident and the windshield popped out. So I just straightened up the edge of where the windshield glues in as best as I could with pliers and the hammer and stuff like that after I'd straightened the roof out with the jack. And got my brother-in-law to help me set in the new windshield on the caulk. And anyway, it worked out fine. It was a little bit of a hassle and it's ugly now, but it works. It doesn't leak or anything, and I haven't had any issue out of it, so just a cosmetic problem, I guess. Anyway, hope you found that interesting, and subscribe and see other weird projects I end up doing from time to time.